If we can find William and my wife. Why am I making these videos? I have no clue. Let's go see what it's like outside. Today looks like it's gonna rain today. That's our backyard. Let's break it. That's my wife. Hi, Linda.
Hello. William, what are you doing? Is that away?
There's William. Don't hit Daddy. There you go.
Hello.
Hello. Here's my children. Here's Daniel.
Hey.
Here's William. Hi, William.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, honey.
What's that? Here you go. Remote.
Make sure you take an umbrella. It's supposed to rain today.
This is a business, you know? Look at it. Our kids are so far no auto. We're the ones doing all the work. You know, I kind of liked it better when I was following the skateboards instead of fixing them. So now what?
Girls.
No, William.
This is my wife, Michelle. Okay. I was off Monday. I went to a wedding on Sunday. My cousin Cindy got married. Oh, Linda, go to the website. Jenny put all the pictures up from Sunday's wedding.
What's the website?
What?
What's that?
Just go to the email. There's a link there.
Oh, okay.
I didn't erase it. Don't. Here.
I can erase it. She has a website.
It's there at the website.
Okay.
Is that one that you can make yourself?
I think so. I think that's what she did.
How you? Don't you have to pay something?
I have no idea. Might not have to. I'm not sure.
Uh-oh.
You want to zip it up?
Let's see if my son gets... Let's take a look outside. I'll show you the tree that came down. We had cut it all up, and we got rid of it. Tree.
Wow. Hi, Daddy.
Yeah, hi.
What are you looking?
There, that's the tree. We cut the tree down. It fell over in a storm last month.
Daddy flew on daughter.
There she is. Hi, honeys. Hello, Linda. Come on, honey, get in here.
William, come here.
Hi, honey.
Come here, William. No, leave that alone.
Sun rising.
This is for Danny. Do you want your own? When we eventually move in, I'll get you your own, okay?
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Come here.
Okay, that's what's going on outside. Now they're both planning to go home. They're planning to go to school now, and it's almost quarter. All right, I gotta stop this video because I gotta I'm gonna go donate those toys. Okay, we'll take another video next week. Right, Linda?
Sure, whatever.
Rugrats.